Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on iPhone 16 Plus. To crop a screenshot, first take it. To take it, click on two buttons at once, power and volume up. And now click on the screenshot that was just taken, and you can hold on one of the corners or the edges to resize. Crop it. And now you can crop it, you can scale it as well. And when you're done with it, click on done. And you can save it to photos, to files, to quick note, or you can copy and delete it so you can send it to someone and then forget about it, or delete the screenshot fully. So I'm gonna save it to photos and then go to photos, and you can see it's here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.